Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the markets for you. Today, we're tackling the USDCHF, a pair that's been making headlines lately. Let's start by reviewing the current market sentiment and news. Recent reports suggest that the USDCHF is experiencing a bearish trend, with concerns about U.S. economic growth weighing on the dollar. Some sources predict further declines in the USDCHF, with potential targets as low as 0.8545 mentioned by economies.com. Now, let's transition to the charts and see what they're telling us. We'll start with the daily chart to get a broad overview of the USDCHF's recent performance. The daily chart shows a clear downward trend for the USDCHF in recent weeks, supporting the bearish sentiment from the news. Notice the significant drop on October 5th, which coincided with increased concerns about global growth. This large drop resulted in a lower support level, which we should watch out for. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to analyze the recent price action. The hourly chart shows increased volatility. The increase in volatility reflects the uncertainty in the market. In the hourly time frame, we can see multiple instances of short-term bearish reversal patterns, indicating a general negative momentum. For a more granular analysis, we can move to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart offers insights into smaller price swings and short-term market patterns. Observe the significant bearish candlestick pattern formed on December 12th, followed by a slight upward correction on December 13th. Notice the increase in volume during these days, suggesting considerable buying and selling pressure. Focusing on the last few days, we see a possible temporary short-term bullish trend. However, it remains crucial to observe the price action in the context of the larger bearish trend depicted on the daily chart. Let's look at some of the key price levels to keep an eye on in the coming days. Based on our analysis of the news and the charts, here's a summary of key price levels and predictions for the USDCHF. The most notable support level to watch out for is around 0.8545, as indicated by economies.com. A break below this level could trigger a further drop in the price. The current price is hovering above 0.87, a crucial point to note. Should the price close below 0.87, the bearish trend would gain momentum. The likelihood of this happening seems high, especially in the current bearish market sentiment. A potential short-term bullish scenario is possible if the price breaches above 0.88. Should this occur, we can expect increased buying pressure and a possible short-term reversal. However, such a scenario would require a change in the current macroeconomic conditions and a stronger US dollar. Short-term traders may benefit from employing short positions in the near future, capitalizing on short-term bearish trends while setting stop-loss orders to manage risk. Long-term traders can employ strategies like trend following or, more conservatively, wait for clearer signs before making long positions. It remains important to monitor the news and the charts closely. Key events, such as upcoming economic data releases, will greatly influence the USDCHF price movement.